Alright, so we're going to take a look at doing below decks. Got our ship. There's a max power of the ship. And we're going to work on blowing this up. So, we need to pick a crew. Just for funsies, we are going to go with a mud crew. So let's go find... Wait, it's not mud. It's... Where is she? Where is she? Oh, yep, Eurydice. We're going to go with Eurydice. Eurydice is fun. So, then we're going to sort by group. And as you can see, we've already blown up some of our stats on the ship. And sort this by group. And we're going to go with Tiza. Yeah, we're going to go with Tiza. Tiza is going to give us that fun little defense boost. And just for giggles, we're going to go with Ro, because Ro has a chance to make your damage of your ship absolutely absurd. So that's the crew we're going to go with. And we're going to confirm that. There's the power of the ship now. We're going to go back. Now we're going to work on the below decks. We're at 210, 210, 180. Now we have to work on trying to bump these stats up. Now, my officers are a bit over-leveled, overpowered, and whatnot. So we're going to have to scroll through and look for some lower-level uncommon officers just to make this a little bit more work. And we're going to look for attack. Koth doesn't have the attack I want. Let's look at Lenore. Lenore's got some decent defense. So we're going to bump in Lenore. He's going to bump our defense up. Now we're at 210, 210, and 240. It's a good start, but we're not there yet. Let's look for another officer. Koth. We looked at him. He's got attack. Yana. Attack. Bunch of health. Alright, so let's go with Yana. Yana's going to go up next. 240, 240, 270. We're getting there. Still not quite there. Let's find our next officer. Next candidate's going to be DJ Oki. Oh, DJ Oki's got that attack that we want. So we're going to slot in DJ Oki. 270 on that attack. Getting pretty close. We want to bump the attack up because the attack is going to allow us to, of course, end combat quicker by dealing more damage. More damage, fewer rounds of combat. Gonzalez has got some pretty even stats all the way around, so we're going to give everything a boost. Getting there. And as you can see, if you click on those buttons, you need 4,200 total attack points in order to reach that full 100% bonus, which would be the 300%. So let's look around some more. And we are going to find, let's see what Otto does. Ooh, Otto's got attack. So Otto's going to go up there, and now our attack's maxed. And now we need to find one more officer trying to round things out. 300, 240, and 270. So we're going to look for a defensive type officer, maybe. Scroll along. And Chrome Dome? No. Her? Yeah, not really. 210? That's not bad. We're going to go ahead and grab him. So, we're now at 300, 270%. We've got a full below decks. Like I said, 300, 270, and 300. That brings the total power of the ship up to, 1.4 million some change. And that's your below deck. Now, just to demonstrate how easier it gets using rare and high level officers, we're going to go ahead and clear out entire below decks. Alright, we're going to confirm. Alright, wrong button. Assign officers. We're going to look, going to grab Nero. Nero's going to max out my health. And we're going to scroll over, and Kirk's going to max out our defense. Oh, nope, not quite. Not quite. So we're going to get one more person. Cross. Cross is a very good attack. Look at that attack. Plop him up there. Boom. 300, 300. Higher levels, higher tiered officers is going to make stacking your below decks easier. Take some time, take some effort. But definitely you want to concentrate on maxing out those bonuses as much as you can. And that's the end of my first ever video. Thanks.